All right, so Great America today. I'm so sad that you guys weren't able to make it, but what I'd like you to do right now is, first of all, start out by going over to Blackboard, so you can pause the recording. Go to Blackboard and check out the Conservation of Energy response and answer key that's on there under the Great America tab. On that tab, you'll see the process that we used for being able to calculate the energy at the top, middle, and bottom of the roller coaster. This is very, very similar to what you're going to be expected to do for the Great America Lab. So if you could work through that, that would be amazing. That'd be great. First step. Once you're done then, you're going to get a Great America packet from your sub. This is due Monday at the beginning of the hour. So pick up that packet, make sure that you work through all the problems, that you show all your work. If you have any questions, email me, because it's due Monday at the beginning of the hour. If you don't get it by then, you get a lunch detention, so make sure to make it happen. Go through there, let me know if you have any issues at all. And like I said, it's really using the same stuff from the Conservation of Energy homework sheet that you guys already worked through. Now, after you get your packet, since you're not at Great America, I want you to write down the data for the ride that you've chosen. You're only picking one, so write down that data, and then use that to complete the rest of your lab. So this is the worksheet you should get from the sub. Like I said, it's due Monday at the beginning of the hour. You're going to want to go and select a single ride, so one ride. You're going to want to write down your personal information on this one. So information about your mass in kilograms. And if you don't want to use your mass, you can use someone else's mass. That's totally fine. Or random mass, as long as it's relevant and reasonable. Show the conversion between weight and then kilograms of mass. So mass in between the weight and the mass. In addition, make sure you show your eyeball height conversion, and you want to convert that into meters. In addition, you're going to want to look at this website. This website is going to actually give you information for the specific information about your ride, about how you can go and find the greatest height and the maximum speed, and that those will be the expected values for your ride. So you're going to want to find the greatest height, maximum speed, and then you want to convert them into metric units. So that's going to be the first step. Then you're going to want to go through and write down and collect all the data from the sub, and that's going to all go on this portion of it. So right over here, you're going to write down all the data on your note card. And then you're going to go through and, let me see if I can zoom this in. You're going to then go through and find those 3 different points, the data, the energy associated with the highest point, the middle point, and the lowest point on your ride. And if you're having any issues with that, I have little hints, and it's not shown on here, but there are little footnotes that you can use to help you through that process of figuring out how to calculate each of those locations and the information for each of those cells. If you're having any issues, like I said, once again, go back over to the answer sheet for the Conservation of Energy homework from last time we met, and that's going to help you as you look through each of those different steps. Make sure to show your work, show your units, and with that, you should be in pretty good shape. Like I said, email me if you have any questions, and look forward to seeing all of this done on Monday.